Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, illuminated running boards, bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the side, a ginger beige leather interior with a natural grain brown oak wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, trailer hitch, AMG GLE 43 badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, Premium 3 package with the driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated AMG door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for our media display, heated and ventilated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 43 AMG Coupe has 8,383 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2017 GLE 43 AMG Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.